Thank you so much for enrolling in this class. My name is Phil Ebner, and as founder of Video School Online, our goal is to provide online classes that help you become a better creative. And this is one of our photography classes, and I've partnered with Will Carnahan, who is an amazing professional photographer. He's so amazing that I let him shoot my very own wedding. And so he takes great portraits, and he's gonna walk you through everything in this class to become a better portrait photographer. And I'm gonna hand it off to Will now, and he's gonna talk a little bit more about him and what this class has to offer.
Welcome to the course. My name is Will, and in this course, we'll be diving into how to create the best portrait you can with what you've got. This course is for anyone, from the professional who wants to brush up on their portrait skills to the parents who just want to get better shots of their kids. We want you to walk away with the best basic tips you need to capture the best portrait in almost any situation. The class will be filled with examples, explanations, and some real-world demos, shooting and posing in a live session. I've been a freelance photographer and cinematographer now for over 10 years, and I've shot countless weddings, events, and headshots using professional DSLRs, mirrorless cameras, and smartphones. Throughout this course, I will be using photos I've taken over the years, as well as some live demos with a model in person. I've been working with Phil and Video School Online for some time now, and it's been a joy to work with them, bringing some of the best photo classes to eager students like yourself. In this class, we're going to cover how to shoot family and friends in quick situations, special occasion portraits like grad photos, maternity photos, and engagements. We also want to go over weddings, events, and how to capture not only the person, but the moment as well. And finally, we'll look into basic headshots, creative modeling portraits. In the next lesson, I'm going to talk about the 6 tips to make your portrait the best it can be.